I woke up, everything seemed so magic. This could be, it could be, is this the heaven? But no, this is my space to study. I have this part closed to have the space that I call extreme super duper delta micron concentration, or just a place without distraction or noise to study or watch a horror movie. But sometimes I need more space, so I open it like this. I have these 3 tables of different sizes, and that's why I use different size of chairs. But now I can have just one chair for different table sizes. Tell me that you think just like me, because when you are going to do something in many hours, you need to find the best chair to feel comfortable and work for long periods of time. I have this study room thanks to my father that helped me to build it. But now that it's real, it's very useful and fun at the same time. Now it looks so clean and tidy, but sometimes it gets filled with so many things and papers that you even feel that there's not enough space. And I don't know if you remember that my computer now has some ventilation and noise problems. You're wondering, why do you need to put your computer like this? Because it makes sounds and it's so noisy now. And that's why I have this new friend. And now finally the computer can breathe. Tell me that you also do different things to concentrate in something like me. And now I'm just going to watch some movies instead of studying. See ya, bye.